Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. This is a quick demonstration of SVGwrite. It has a couple of examples, and this is a very simple example. It took me some time to figure out what was going on here. So I went ahead and created a variation of this. It's effectively the same code, but I added some helper functions so I could understand what was being generated, and I also set up some basic globals so I can test a little faster. So what I figured out about this, there's a couple of profiles. Profiles, it took me a while to figure that out. The profiles are full, basic, and tiny. I'm not quite sure what the difference is between those. I did set up a file path so that I know exactly where it's saving to, and then I added this helper function timestamp so I know what time it is. As I create new ones, I create new files, and this is where the file is created, right here. Then add some lines and add some text. Now, if I change this to welcome to SVG, close that, welcome to SVG, I should get a file that says welcome to SVG, or a text that says welcome to SVG. All right, so that should do it. Everything else is fine. All right, let's run it. Okay, so it wrote to my desktop. There's the file, welcome to svg.svg, and there is the file. Now, I'm on Ubuntu 21, and for whatever reason, on initial load, it doesn't load the file correctly. But now we can see that it's working. And for everybody who's going to say colons and the file name is bad, I know, but I'm not going to worry about it right now. So there it is. Welcome to SVG. This is opening directly in Inkscape. Which one? 1.1. And everything seems to work as desired. They're all individual files, so I'm quite pleased with that in general. Lots of questions for how to manipulate this so that I can get the correct fonts or load a particular font. I'm not quite sure what the percent does. I'm pretty sure the stroke is that this is the color, but I don't know what the percent does. There's lots of questions for SVGwrite that I have not figured out. But a big thanks out to the developers, these guys here, girls, maybe there's a girl in there somewhere. And I hope to explore more of this in the coming days. Thanks for watching, and happy computing.